Between the Quantum Void and the Dance of Shiva, a journey into transmodernity. Beyond modernism. Good day and welcome to an exploration of the universe through the eyes of Antonio Sandu, author of the work Philosophy of the Orient and Modern Physics, Semiological Perspectives on Transmodernity. Have you ever wondered whether there is a connection between the intuitions of ancient mystics and today's nuclear physics laboratories? Today we enter the era of transmodernity. If postmodernism was about deconstruction and fragmentation, transmodernism proposes a return to unity, a spiritualization of frontiers between science and the sacred. This book is not merely a philosophical treatise, but a map for understanding how the universe constructs itself through us. The author begins from a fascinating idea, the parallels between Eastern mysticism and contemporary physics. He reminds us of the celebrated dance of Shiva, which, in essence, reflects the permanent agitation of the atomic world. In the pages of this work, we rediscover Kashmir Shaivism and the concept of spanda, universal vibration. Did you know that the model of phonomatic emanation proposed by the philosopher Abhinavagupta shares striking commonalities with Big Bang theory? Both tell us that the universe is a process, an expansion of consciousness or energy from a single primordial point called Bindu. Moreover, the wave-particle duality in quantum mechanics resonates profoundly with the yin-yang principle, being inseparable in their very essence. Fractalic constructionism. But Antonio Sandu goes beyond simple parallels. He introduces an innovative method, fractalic constructionism. What does this mean? Reality is not something given somewhere out there. Rather, it is a construct realized through the interaction of our mental maps. The universe is seen as a holarchy, a system of systems in which the whole is reflected in each part, exactly like a fractal or a hologram. This is the foundation of what the author calls quantum metaphysics. We can no longer study the object separately from the researcher. We are inseparable from the system we observe. Thus, scientific truth becomes a negotiation of interpretations, a bridge between discursive rationality and ecstatic intuition. Present challenges. AI and virtual space. The book does not remain solely in the theoretical sphere of the past. It addresses ultra-modern themes such as artificial intelligence and the virtualization of social space. From the perspective of Kashmir Shaivism, AI is not merely a set of codes, but a form through which consciousness explores new limits. In this digital universe, our identities become multiple, challenging traditional ethics to transform into a transmodern bioethics. Virtual space spiritualizes frontiers, short-circuiting physical distance and transforming communication into an act of communion enabled by technology. Conclusion: the human being as the measure of the universe. Finally, the work brings us face to face with the anthropic principle. The universe needs the human being in order to know itself. This humanist transpersonal vision proposes a harmony of the human being with oneself, with one's fellow beings, and with the divine. Whether you are passionate about particle physics, meditation, or the way technology changes our lives, Philosophy of the East and Modern Physics will transform your perspective on what you call reality. It is an invitation to see the universe not as a cold machine, but as a dance full of meaning. We invite you to discover this volume published by Lumen Publishing House, and to embark on your own journey toward the unity of the world. Happy reading!